Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Mailchimp to Google Sheets easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Next, go to the Mailchimp website and log in to your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account. In the Account page, look for the Extras tab and click on it. Select API Keys from the submenu. Now, scroll down to Your API Keys section. If you don't have an API key yet, click on the Create a Key button. Take note of the API key that you just created. Next, return to your Google Sheets. Click on Extensions in the top menu. Select Apps Script from the drop-down. This will open the Apps Script editor in a new tab. In the editor, delete any code already present. Now, copy and paste the following script. JavaScript function get Mailchimp data, var API key equals your underscore API underscore key underscore here, var list ID equals your underscore list underscore ID underscore here, var DC equals API key dot split, dash, 1, var URL equals https $//dc.api.mailchimp.com/3.0/lists/$. List ID, /members, var options equals, method, get, headers, authorization, any string, plus API key, var response equals URL fetch URL, options, var data equals json.parse, response.get content text, var sheet equals spreadsheet app.get active spreadsheet.get active sheet, sheet.clear, var headers equals email address, status, merge fields, sheet.append row, headers, data. Replace your underscore list underscore ID underscore here with the list ID from your Mailchimp account. To find your list ID, go to the Audience tab in Mailchimp. Select your desired audience and click Settings. Scroll down to find your unique ID for the audience. After replacing the placeholders in the script, save your project by clicking the disk icon. Now, click on the play button, triangle, to run the script. You may need to authorize the script to access your Google account. Follow the prompts to grant permissions. Once authorized, run the script again. Your Google Sheets will now be populated with data from your Mailchimp audience. Check your spreadsheet to see the imported members with their email addresses, status, and merge fields. You have now successfully connected Mailchimp to Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.